guys, my name is Délé. Let me share one of the unusual beautiful experience I had recently. I'm the big baby in peach color abaya, in case you want to know who is speaking. So I recently visited my grand uncle's film village and resort, Okperekete, and it was such a blast. I went out with Big Mom, Arodu, and Auntie Titi, and we had the best time exploring the place. My grand uncle, Daddy Délé Odùlé, is my grandmother's cousin, both from Oru and Imope in Ijebu North local government in Ogun State, Nigeria. Okperekete is filled with amazing artworks and sculptures, like a blacksmith, calabash makers, and a woman doing tie and dye, and a warrior with sword and shield. I loved seeing all these different houses with unique shapes, like one shaped like a sheep, and the walls covered in sandy moat with thatched roofs, giving off major ancient Yoruba village vibes. I even saw a crocodile pond, and let me tell you, I quickly stepped away when I realized the crocodile was real. Omo, I'm too fine to be injured, jare. But overall, it was such a wonderful experience, and I think this place would be perfect for research and creative activities. If you are looking for a cool place to relax and get inspired, Okperekete Film Village and Resort is the spot. My grand uncle has accommodation and relaxation spaces there, so you're good to go. I am proud to be a Yoruba girl, and I am loving this connection to my heritage. Oh, shout out to my moms, Arodu, who is behind the camera, and Onile. Both of them inspired my love for theater arts and media. Everything about art and media is in our DNA. Lol. Anyway, that's my update, guys. See you at Okperekete. Bye.